Hello, today I'm going to show you how to grease the McLaren Cold Planer. So the first thing we want to do, we have the skid plate here and we have the skid plate piston. So we're going to start by greasing the back pivot pin. So what we want to do is take the grease gun and give it 4 shots. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from there we're going to move to the front swivel pin and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll go to the opposite side of the machine to the other skid plate, to the piston. So we'll go ahead and do the same. We'll start on the back and we'll give it 4 shots. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll move to the front of the piston and grease that swivel pin. 1, 2, 3, 4. From there, we'll proceed to the back of the machine. And you'll see a piston back here. And this piston here is what caused the machine to tilt side to side. So we're going to do the same here on this. We're going to give this piston 4 shots of grease here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we'll move to the other swivel pin and grease that. 1, 2, 3, 4. So from there, we're going to go to the pinwheels on the back side of the machine. And you're going to go ahead and give that 1 shot of grease. And then we move to the opposite side, get the other wheel pin. And we'll give that 1 shot of grease. All right. So basically you want to perform this every 8 hours. By doing this will help your machine function like it's supposed to every time. So thank you for watching this video.